Hey everyone, welcome back to Rate Take Stacking. In today's video, I want to talk a little bit about gold and silver and how how it's been performing has been kind of troubling people, confusing people, and frustrating people. And it's not the only thing that has been taking a hit recently. Obviously, if you've been paying attention to what's been going on in the crypto market, it has been getting shellacked. Cryptos have been getting spanked over the past couple of days here, and it's been a trend. It's been going down for a long period of time, but just slowly. I've slowly been seeing, I don't have much crypto, but it's slowly been deteriorating, and then, over the past couple of days, it's just been a free fall. And gold and silver hasn't had that free fall yet. It has gone down, it has gone down consecutive days. It's had consecutive bad weeks. It's been for a long time now, for a couple of months now, it has been underperforming. It has not been living up to what a lot of people were expecting gold and silver to do. And of course, it does make sense that you would be a little disappointed with the way that it's been doing in general, but especially if you're expecting the gold and silver to do something that it was never originally supposed to do. And that's what this topic is getting into, because I found this article that was kind of going over why gold and silver have been performing so poorly, and why a lot of people are upset with it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump onto the computer and just quickly go over this article. Okay, so here's the article here. It's on kitco.com, and the title is Gold and Silver Mixed and Confused. It says that gold and silver appear to be in a confused state. Although gold got hammered on Monday, the trend has reversed to higher, while the trend in silver is down. The action has all parties scratching their heads trying to figure out the next move. It says, have the metals accounted for inflation and their rate hikes coming tomorrow? Based on history, we believe the markets have already priced in this information. Markets are far ahead of the news reported. There are no secrets or surprises in today's markets. And then continuing on a little further, it says, our current position are long gold, short silver, and uncomfortable with both. With the rough days in gold on Monday, it's hard to want to be long, and with silver at 21, it's hard to want to be short. These factors alone make it easy to follow a method, knowing that a reversal will come if prices move enough. There are too many who try to interpret how the markets will react to news when the facts are that the information is priced in. Trade the news and you almost guarantee yourself a loss. Price action is the key. Nothing else matters. And this I find very important, and a lot of people don't really think about it like this, as precious metals should be owned on a physical basis with capital that is not needed tomorrow or anytime soon. Trading should be done with paper, knowing that we can trade either side without emotions. So when people buy precious metals, like physical precious metals, and expect it to act like paper, then yes, you're going to be disappointed. Just like with the silver short squeezes, people are looking for silver to react in a way that it's not going to do. You know what I mean? Just picking up physical silver is not going to be moving the spot price the second after you buy the physical silver. And a lot of these people that were into the silver squeeze were believing that by just picking up physical silver was going to move the spot price up. And same with with the physical versus paper. If you're expecting a paper return to your physical asset, you're going to be quite disappointed, because as we all know, with or at least for me, physical gold and silver, I don't look at as an investment. You got to look at that hefty premium, especially nowadays what we're paying. You have to factor that in. And then continuing, it says, in all markets, price action determines what will happen in the next day, week, or month. Keep the two strategies separate. The worst trade anyone could make is turning a trade into an investment, hoping for a way out. Traders must learn to take their losses and move on to the next trade. Patience, discipline, and money management always win the day. Let the map of the market show you the way. So a little Dr. Seussian quote at the end there, and I'm not really into the paper side, the trading. Like I said, for me, I have I have a couple of mining stocks, but as far as looking at picking up paper, gold, and silver, I don't have any of that. I just stack the physical stuff. So yeah, that was basically the entire article. It wasn't too long. I did skim over a paragraph or two, but I basically read through the entire thing. But if you would like to read through it yourself, I always leave a link in the description to the articles that I talk about. So there you go, there you have it. That was the article that I want to talk about. And yes, it does make sense. There are a lot of people that do expect different things from gold and silver, unrealistic things from physical gold and silver. They are expecting to make a quick profit or a quick return on their investment, and that just isn't the way that the physical gold and silver should be looked at. I used the example of the Wall Street silver and the silver squeezes and the silver raids trying to do something like moving the physical spot price, which buying the physical stuff is just not going to do. Again, if you're looking to get the same sort of returns that you would get from trading paper and gold silver from your physical gold and silver, then you'll be disappointed as well, because there isn't the heavy premiums that are tacked on to your trading. You know what I mean? If you're buying some silver and gold, there isn't some 30% premium on that trade that you need to make up before you make a profit. Sure, I'm sure on some platforms there are some fees, but it's not going to be like a 30% fee like you're seeing on some of these silver purchases here for the physical side. And like I said numerous times, I do not look at silver stacking as an investment. For the most part right now, that's a physical savings account and trying to keep the wealth preservation. But I would like to hear what you guys think, especially if you are more into the paper side of things, if you are into trading gold and silver. Like I said, interested in it. I try to read up on it as much as I can just to educate myself on it, because I do know that a lot of that side of things is what affects the spot price. And a lot of people that were into the silver squeezes and silver raids just didn't get that, or were just willingly being ignorant to that fact, especially if they were trying to get people to just buy silver and gold, say if they were a bullion dealer or something like that. But yes, of course, I would be disappointed too if I was expecting something from silver and gold that never happened. But I would be even more upset at the people that were claiming that doing this would lead to that, when in reality there was no chance of that happening to begin with. But I would like to hear from you, especially if you do both, if you do the trading and the stacking of the physical silver. And for those of you that are just stacking physical gold and silver, I would like to hear what you guys are thinking, what your outlook is on gold and silver, if you've given up, if you're staying the course, if you're taking a little bit of break. For me, I found that I have been taking a little bit of a break on silver, picking up here and there whenever I see a good price. But my gold stack has increased since that first attempted silver squeeze back in the winter of 2021, like February, March. I can't exactly remember when it happened, but since then we haven't seen any break on premiums, and that kind of pisses me off. But anyways, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you come back for the next one. Thank you.